Welcome to Giske kommune.
Välkommen!
Zdrastje.
Today we decided to visit the nice places around Ålesund, like this. This is nice place to live with the family here. It's peace and quiet and just wonderful area.
So now we are going to visit some other place. And as with the boat, here also safety is number one, so we need to have seatbelts and not film while driving.
Now we're here on Video. Many cars today. Yeah. We have with us some coffee and milk.
Now we are at Alnes, and this little building you can see there is a lighthouse that the ships used to navigate. And underneath it's a beautiful little cafe with a nice view.
The last time we were here, we took many beautiful stones, like a good memory of this place. Okay, now we found a nice place to have a lunch, and I will show you what I have in my bag. It's like sunglasses, but we don't need it today. And I have this one, of course, in the case that I will freeze. And this scarf also in the same case. And we have coffee, and we have milk for me, and we have only 2 cups for me and my husband.
To enjoy the Ålesund region, you should really rent a car, because the public transport here is really bad and expensive. So the best way to enjoy the beautiful nature around Ålesund, you should rent a car.
The weather is always the weather in Ålesund can be very different. Sometimes it can change only 1 minute. So it's snowing and it's raining, and suddenly it's sunny again, and it's like very cold and sunny and warm and cold again, especially winter. is not so good season to live in Ålesund, especially on the boats, but we survived the whole winter right now, and we are really glad that summer will come. We have a lot of plans for the summer. And that's mean that we have some beautiful minutes with the sunglasses. Оставим Йонаса пить его кофе и пойдем поближе к океану. Как бы мне хотелось поделиться всей этой красотой с моей семьей, с моими любимыми друзьями, которые остались в Украине и в Крыму. И я надеюсь, что однажды они приедут ко мне, и мы сможем посетить все эти прекрасные места вместе. Поэтому, дорогие мои друзья, я очень жду вас здесь. Пожалуйста, запланируйте поездку в Норвегию и обязательно посетите меня, потому что я жду вас здесь. But maybe it's time to go back to my husband. He is sitting all alone. Poor guy. And the sun is gone. But your wife is here. Did you miss me?
Yes, what did you do? Ay. Running away. Basta.
Oh, I still have some coffee. Look at this. Work harder, my friend. Work harder. Yes, pack the bags. Thank you. Sometimes we are just speaking with a Russian accent because you know, in all Hollywood movie, all Russians speak like this.
Yes, and all they know in Russian is давай.
Of course, because we are Russian, we always say this. Давай.
Yes, спасибо, водка где?
Okay, Mr. Jonas, drive me some other place. It's an order from the High Commander.
And unlike in action movies, we actually have to open the door.
And for me.
No, never.
So we are here, and it calls Skodjebroene.
So Anna, say something.
Say something.
Ha 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 ha.
So for today, our adventure. So our adventure for today are over. No.
It's over. Yes, it's okay. Anna is still learning English, so it's... What do you think about her English? Is it thumbs up or thumbs down? So today our adventure is over, and now we are going to find a small restaurant to eat and have some boyfriend and girlfriend time. Whoa. So dear followers, we are now at the Ålesund Seilforening. It's the place where our boat is. You can see here, it's very beautiful. They don't have so long arms, but you can see, wow, plenty of boats. What do you think of boats, Mr. Dinosaur?
I think that you just speak too much, and we just wanted to say, thanks for
Following.
watching!
And if you like guys, hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.
Bye bye.
Bye.